Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back guys. I know it's been a while. Hope everyone is doing so well. We see here sisasephezulu indaba yo uthando nesithembu nengane zesithembu bethunana. We've seen ukubana usine these days she is trending, and she's only trending for good reasons okanye for good rumors. Siyebona ke phaya bathi khona usine is getting married after baby daddy drama and all of these things. So we are saying bana the reality star Musa Mseleke's daughter, Usne Mseleke, is once again headlines, but this time it's not for family drama or for social media shades. It is for love. It is for love, guys. It is for love. I'm so happy for Sne. Like, I'm so happy for her. If it is what it is gonna happen very soon to her after months and months of public scrutiny over her baby daddy drama, guys. All the drama, all the family issues, we can see even the way she's been posting everyone. I saw she posted Umacele and her daughter saying bana enkosi Macele for raising my daughter. I saw her also, she recently posted on Facebook of her picture and Umpilo's picture saying, oh, I love you sis. It's like she's bringing the family closer and closer and closer. So she posted one of the pictures where when they were shooting for Ingane Zestembu at our Ingane Zigababa. Like she's showing the love. We are seeing that side of Usne that we might be preparing, she might be preparing to walk down the aisle. Yes guys, she might be preparing walking down the aisle, and we're so happy for her, so happy to see Upana good things are coming in on her way. Like you can see Upana, the rumor started circulating after several social medias post suggesting that she's been seen with a mystery man and even try on a traditional bridal outfit. Oh yes, we saw that black and white one that she was wearing. So we don't know if they were actually going there to be preparing for the wedding rumors that we are hearing. But we've been seeing Usne lately. Like we happy okay, we happy. Like there's so much positivities even in her post. You can feel it. When Nyan Nyan, she's happy. However, Usne has not officially confirmed the wedding. In fact, she recently addressed the media telling everyone to stop spreading lies about her personal life. Kakade phela Usne, she always call out on people like, hey guys, calm down, calm down, calm down. But we all know them Selekos. They're like giving us hint of getting all of us like getting all of, so that we get to think, oh, this is happening. Okay, oh no, this is not happening. Let me know, what do you guys think about what is happening with Usne? Is she finally saying yes? Is she finally going to walk down the aisle and open up luckies for everyone else that comes after her? Are we going to be having them Teleco wedding bells all over again? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.